Hi, it's Ken Hadrick, Dean of the Pie Academy. Thanks for tuning in. I thought I'd try something a little different today. Normally when I do a video for you, it takes a while to do. It takes about maybe anywhere from 8 to 10 hours between prep time, having a recipe in different stages so you can, proceed with the videography, running back and forth from 2 rooms. I shoot these videos in 2 different rooms, writing a script, preparing, just all sorts of things. But today, I'm just shooting straight from the hip without a script because I just wanted to catch you up to date. Actually, I was working on a longer video for you this week. It was all about an apple and cheddar pie. And I've been in sort of this New Englandy mood all week because this is the week, actually early next week is when Bev and I leave for Vermont for our New England pie getaways, which we have the last 2 weekends of the month. And I'm really excited about that. But as I was making this video, it started to eat up a lot of time. And this week, I don't have a lot of time. So I'm going to bag that video for now, and just make this one here just to bring you up to date about what's going on, and mainly to tell you that because we're going to be gone for the next couple of weeks, it's going to be a little quiet from the Pie Academy. This is a very exciting time for me because, as many of you know, I lived for many years in New England. I lived in New Hampshire for 20 years. I raised my kids there. I have a lot of friends there and a lot of memories. So it's something of a homecoming for me. So I'm really excited about that and can't wait to get up there. So I had this thought about the apple. I'm really into apple pie with cheddar cheese. It's just a combination that I love. And I had this thought, maybe I should go back and see if I have anything posted on the internet, not on the Pie Academy, but just from various sources I've worked for over the years. I've done a lot of work for Food and Wine, for Bon Appetit, Real Simple, Better Homes and Gardens. And I thought if I dug around on the web, I could find something. This here, this behemoth here is part of my archives of jobs I've done for various magazines over the years. My long-suffering wife, Bev, a few years ago, got all my clips and put them in these plastic holders, and that's someday I'm going to take this archive and turn it into a book or make it available on the web or as a bonus for people who sign up for one thing or another. But that gives you some idea of all the work I did. Over 20 years, 25 years of freelancing, I probably did at least 400 or 500 magazine articles. But anyway, I started poking around on the web, and I found a link to an old recipe I'd done for Bon Appetit on an apple and apple pie with a cheddar cheese crust. So I thought, well, maybe this week I'll make this quick little video, which is turning into a not so quick little video, and I'll post the link up there to the article. And then I thought, well, I've got to have some other New Englandy type articles floating around out there with cheddar cheese or apples or maple syrup or anything like that. So I did a little more digging, and I found some more recipes at different sites and different links. So I'm going to put those below the video too. Meanwhile, even though I won't be posting anything up on the Pie Academy or any YouTube videos, you can check out, if you're not already signed up, sign up for our Instagram account, which is at the Pie Academy. And we will post pictures there over the next coming weeks. We have, as you recall, we have 2 getaways, one next weekend, not this coming weekend, but the following weekend, and the other one the weekend after that in Woodstock, Vermont. If you didn't have a chance to sign up and come this year, I really hope you come next year. I'm so excited. I think it's going to be a great couple of weekends. We have a beautiful estate that we've rented out. It's got a beautiful kitchen. We're all staying together in the same 2 houses. So it's going to be a blast. If you want to find out more about it, it's newenglandpiegetaway.com, and you can go there and take a look. So anyway, I'm going to cut it off there. I want to say thanks for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. And we'll be in touch as soon as we get back from the getaway. Meanwhile, look for us on Instagram. Take care.
just